Biochemistry is foundational for food safety officers, and familiarizing oneself with biosynthesis, metabolism, and calorific value is crucial. Let's explore these topics through concise key points and engaging multiple choice questions. Biosynthesis refers to the complex process where living organisms create substances primarily through enzymatic reactions. Here are 10 key points on biosynthesis. 1. It involves the synthesis of organic molecules essential for growth and maintenance. 2. Biosynthesis paths depend on the availability of raw materials. 3. Enzymes play a critical role in facilitating these reactions. 4. It contributes to the production of proteins, nucleic acids, and lipids. 5. Cellular respiration provides the energy required for biosynthesis. 6. It serves as a mechanism for organisms to adapt to their environment. 7. Certain nutrients like amino acids and vitamins are vital for biosynthetic processes. 8. Hormonal regulations affect the rate of biosynthesis. 9. Gene expression influences the synthesis of various biological molecules. 10. Understanding biosynthesis aids in improving food quality and safety. Metabolism is the sum of all biochemical reactions occurring within a living organism. Key points to consider include 1. Metabolism is divided into anabolism, building up, and catabolism, breaking down. 2. It regulates energy expenditure and storage. 3. Enzymatic action is crucial for metabolic processes. 4. Different organisms have unique metabolic pathways. 5. Factors like temperature and pH affect metabolic rates. 6. The metabolic rate can influence obesity and weight management. 7. Metabolic functions are critical for maintaining homeostasis. 8. Metabolites can serve as biomarkers for health conditions. 9. Both inherited and environmental factors impact metabolism. 10. Understanding metabolism is essential for developing effective dietary strategies. Calorific value quantifies the energy provided by foods expressed in calories. Important points include 1. It is crucial in determining food energy content for nutrition. 2. Calorific value influences daily energy intake. 3. Different macronutrients, carbs, proteins, fats have varying calorific values. 4. The calorific value is used in diet planning for weight management. 5. Precision in measuring calorific value aids in food labeling. 6. Assessing calorific value helps evaluate food quality. 7. It plays a role in food processing and preservation. 8. Adequate caloric intake is necessary for optimal bodily function. 9. Food safety practices must consider calorific content. 10. Education about calorific values empowers consumers in healthy eating. Here are 10 multiple choice questions to solidify your understanding. 1. What process describes the synthesis of complex compounds? A. Catabolism. B. Anabolism. C. Metabolism. D. Photosynthesis. Answer B. Anabolism. 2. What is the basic unit of energy in metabolism? A. Joule. B. Calorie. C. Kilojoule. D. Watt. Answer B. Calorie. 3. Which nutrient has the highest caloric value? A. Carbohydrates. B. Proteins. C. Fats. D. Vitamins. Answer C. Fats. 4. What is the metabolic pathway that breaks down glucose? A. Glycogenesis. B. Glycolysis. C. Gluconeogenesis. D. Krebs cycle. Answer B. Glycolysis. 5. What role do enzymes play in metabolism? A. Increase temperature. B. Catalyze reactions. C. Provide energy. D. Support structure. Answer B. Catalyze reactions. 6. What term describes the energy needed to maintain bodily functions at rest? A. Basal metabolic rate. B. Total daily energy expenditure. C. Resting metabolic rate. D. Active metabolic rate. Answer A. Basal metabolic rate. 7. Which vitamin is essential for metabolic reactions? A. Vitamin C. B. Vitamin A. C. B. Vitamins. D. Vitamin K. Answer C. B. Vitamins. 8. In which part of the cell does aerobic metabolism occur? A. Cytoplasm. B. Nucleus. C. Mitochondria. D. Ribosome. Answer C. Mitochondria. 9. What happens during catabolism? A. Energy storage. B. Energy release. C. Decrease in metabolic rate. D. Synthesis of proteins. Answer B. Energy release. 10. Why is understanding calorific value important?